Hey, it's the Slab!
Hey, it's Nick from the Slab, and this is episode 5, heading west from Darwin, across the top of Western Australia, and then heading down the west coast.
I keep looking for love, yeah, where the mangroves grew, where the cottonmouth smiles back at me under a full-blown moon. Drawn into this insanity, yeah, I couldn't help myself. Blood crawls in the cemetery, think it's an easy sell. There's the cry of the banshee, just like a siren's call. There's the cry of the banshee, are you ready to fall? It's the cry of the banshee, she is leading me on. It's the cry of the banshee, such a beautiful song. I keep looking for love, yeah, in hot summer nights, where cardboard campers fill the streets. That's where reality bites. Young girl, you got that pretty face. Won't you walk with me for a while? Will you let me show you that special place where sin comes home to die? It's the cry of the banshee, just like a siren's call. It's the cry of the banshee, are you ready to fall? It's the cry of the banshee, she is leading me on. It's the cry of the banshee, such a beautiful song.
This is a 0 alcohol beer, so let's try this one out. That's a good drinking beer. That goes down like a medium ale, just one that you can cruise on all night. A little light on the aftertaste. But it's got a good flavour up front and in the middle.